I purchased the salt and portable induction cooktop from Canadian Tire, and I'm here to do a small review on it. Here's a test for you. I filled up 2 pots with 2 cups of water, and I'm going to turn them both on at the same time and see which one comes to a boil first. That one's on high, and this one, I'm going to turn it on. Just turn it on to maximum power. So you see this one, the burner's getting red already. I also put a timer on just now, probably about 30 seconds late. Nothing and nothing. I do feel the water's already warm in there, and the water is still cold in this pot. This was on sale at Canadian Tire for $65, regular $99. The one thing about the pots, they have to be magnetic. And I'm sure any stainless steel pot, they're all magnetic. So we've been at it now, I've been recording for 1 minute 30 seconds. Just starting to see bubbles show up in the bottom. There's a timer. Oops, missed on the timer. Timer set for 10 hours. And this one here, still nothing. No bubbles. The water is just slightly warm right now. Here I'm starting to see steam. You see steam coming off the pot right now from inside. And she's almost boiling right there. The time shows 2:09 right now on the timer. Here's the other pot. Nothing so far. Got some serious steam coming off of here now, and it's just starting to come to a boil right now. There we go. So that's boiling, and the timer says 2:40 as of right now. This one here, still nothing. Water is warm, lukewarm, and that one is boiling. Now the one nice thing about this is it's instant temperature control. So right now I've got it on 1800, which is 1800 watts. I'm just turning it down to 16, 14, 12, 1000, and you see there, boiling, down to 700, 500, and you see the pot right away stops boiling. 300, and if you want to bring it back up to a boil, put it up to 1200 and instant boiling. So I'm just going to turn this off now. That's boiling. So that was at 240. This one you're just starting to see bubbles coming up now in the bottom. Time is 3:48 right now. As you can see, the induction brings water up to a boil a lot faster than regular oven stove, sorry. Just starting to see some steam rising from the top now. 420. Now if we double the time from 240, it would bring us to 5:20, 5 minutes and 20 seconds. So right now we're at 4:35. And still not boiling. Getting some small bubbles down there. Still not boiling. And it's on high. Both pots are the same size, incidentally. 510. And we're getting close to boiling right now. 520. So basically this pot has been at it twice as long as the other pot and still hasn't boiled yet. 530. And we're getting there, very close right now. 540. So the first one boiled at 240 and this was 3 minutes later, and it's just starting to come to a boil now. So the second pot basically took 3 minutes longer. Since we started cooking with this, we are very happy. Things cook so much faster. Thank you. So I'm going to continue the test, and I've refilled the water again, 2 cups cold water. This time, you see the burner is screaming hot, so I'm putting the one pot on right now. And this one, I'm just going to turn it on right now. 1800 watts. So basically, this one went on a very hot burner, and this one is starting from cold nothing. So this water is very, very light warm. And this one here is about the same temperature right now. They're both about the same temperature actually. So let's see which one wins. Starting to see small bubbles in this one already. And this one here, starting to see small bubbles as well. So if they both come to a boil around the same time, what it looks like is that 3 minutes longer that it took for this one to boil, it's caused just by the burner warming up. So basically you've got 3 minutes of burner warming up, that's lost energy. The nice thing about the induction as well is that you don't get any residual heat from the burner. There we go. Starting to get some steam off of there, and just a little bit of steam there. It does seem that the induction is coming to a boil a little faster. Been on for about 1 minute and 40 seconds right now. And this one here, I see more steam coming off than this one. A lot of bubbles. There you go, this one's almost close to boiling. Just starting to boil there in the bottom. And this one not quite there yet, but close. And this one is boiling. There you go. That's boiling. And this one, not quite yet. Obviously, heavy boil. I'm just turning this off now. As you can see, instant off. And you don't feel any heat from the induction plate at all. Nothing, 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 nothing. I feel no heat at all, nothing. The heat on the induction plate actually comes from the pot itself. And this one, you see, still hasn't boiled. So even taking into account the warm-up time for the burner, the induction is still a lot faster for boiling water. Thank you very much.